Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change screen recording sound on your VIVO X300. So if you want to record your screen with your microphone on or your system audio on, I'll show you how to set it up. So scroll up here, and here you can see the record screen button, and if you don't have it, click on this pencil right here, and in this list you'll need to find the record screen and click and hold it and drag it to this panel right here. So basically, if you already have the record screen, click and hold it, and then you'll have the record screen settings, and here you can adjust either if you want to record microphone audio and record system audio, or just record microphone audio without system audio. So basically that's it. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.